This is why you need to prioritize daily walks with your dog. Spoiler alert, it's more than just exercise. Regular walks are the golden ticket to your dog's happiness. Think of it as their daily adventure, filled with new sniffs, sights, and sounds. Consistent walks keep your dog physically fit and mentally sharp. Plus, it's a fantastic way to bond and burn off that endless energy. Missed a few days, no worries. But making walks a part of your routine can reduce anxiety and even curb those pesky, destructive habits. Remember, a tired dog is a happy dog, and a happy dog means a happy home. So grab that leash and hit the pavement. Your furry friend will thank you with more tail wags than you can count. Welcome to the whimsical world of Tim, the mini poodle with a heart as big as his playful spirit. Tim Bean is an adorable bundle of joy who has transformed from a shy pup into a confident, gentle, and lively companion. Tim's journey is one of endearing charm and resilience. He conquered his initial shyness with the loving support of his human family and blossomed into a friendly social butterfly who never fails to bring smiles wherever he goes. Please subscribe, like, and comment. We would love to be friends with you.